Today we are fixing up a brand new one sheet pan recipe, and y'all, this is going to be fantastic. Hi, if you're new here, I'm Melissa Diane. Welcome. So now let's get mixing. We're going to start by actually mixing up our marinade really quick, and let me scoot these over. And so y'all, here's the cookie sheet. We're going to be using this to put everything on. Let's get our marinade going. The first thing we'll do is we're going to put a cup of olive oil in anywhere from a half a cup to a cup. I'm going to go ahead and use a cup because I'm going to want to soak everything really, really good. So here's a cup. We may end up having to actually get some more in a second. We got a cup. Now we're going to put our seasonings in. So I'm going to start with just a little bit of salt. We're going to have just a little bit of pepper. This is coarse ground black pepper. And I'm going to stir that up. Then we're going to get some garlic powder, some onion powder, stir again, some chili lime seasoning, some lemon pepper. We're going to put in a little cumin. I want to put in a little bit of crushed red pepper. I'm going to put in a little bit of Italian seasoning. If you've got fresh herbs, use your fresh herbs. I decided I'm just being a bit lazy and I'm not going out to the herb garden today. And you can see this is a lot of seasonings all in here. Y'all, you can really use anything you want. I just grabbed a few that I really like. And then here's a little bit of some parsley in here to give it a flavor. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to move the marinade over here, because I'm going to be tossing the chicken in it, and then I'm going to go ahead and start tossing it on the sheet pan. So I'm going to go ahead and put the chicken in, and I'm just going to mix this around really good and get this chicken all coated. I am using chicken thighs, and I have about 1.5 pounds right here of chicken thighs. So I'm going to get my tongs, and I'm going to go ahead and put the chicken on here. And we're just going to lay this all over. So I'm just going to start putting these little chicken pieces in different places on my cookie sheet. Okay, y'all, now we're going to take our yellow squash and put some of our yellow squash in here. My hands are all washed, so I'm all clean. We're going to put just a little bit of this in here, and we're going to toss it around. And y'all, what is so neat about this little recipe is that, well, first of all, I had never done a sheet pan recipe before. And I went into the refrigerator and I was like, we've got all these veggies in here. I want to fix something for dinner. And so actually what I did was I went to ChatGPT, to my co-pilot, and I typed in there that make me a sheet pan dinner. And I said what I had, and y'all, and it popped this out. So I think that's so exciting. And so this is a brand new recipe. You can use probably any veggies that you have. Okay, so I'm going to take this, and I am just going to put this in different places on here. I'm just putting these all over like this. Another way, I just thought about this, it'd probably be a lot easier, is you could just put all your chicken, all your squash, etc., just like that for a sheet dinner. But I was thinking that it'd be so pretty just to have these just kind of like all over. Now we're going to take some potatoes. Let's dump some of these potatoes here in this marinade. If you get to where for some reason your marinade, you don't have enough, then just make some more. Just mix them all up. And when we get all done, I think I'll probably take my little pastry brush and go over the tops of them just to give them a little extra dose. Okay, now we're going to take our broccoli. Let's put our broccoli in here. And I think I am going to have to pour in just a little more. And mix this up. There's still plenty of seasonings here in the bottom. So we're going to take these little broccoli florets and put them in different areas. The only thing, y'all, that could make this even prettier is if we had something orange. I don't have any sweet potatoes or any carrots, but we are using chicken and potatoes, and we're using yellow squash. Look how good this is looking, y'all. I think it's looking really pretty. It's going to be nice. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to take these Brussels sprouts that I just about forgot about, and we're going to put a bunch of these in here and get them all fixed up. And this recipe here with measurements and everything, I have it all, I've got a little one-pager, little thingy right here. And if you want that recipe, just let me know in the comments, just put in there, I want recipe, and then I will get that to you, okay? All right, so here we go. And we're gonna put these little Brussels sprouts in. I wish you could smell this because it smells incredible. So I've got my green. Oh, but a while ago I was saying I wanted something orange, not green. Yes, I don't have anything really orange. I got excited there for nothing. Oh, there's a couple more of these. What I do have that's a little bit orange, I've got some acorn squash because I had half of one still in the fridge. So that's a little orange, not super orange. Okay, there we go. Okay, let's drop these little guys in here. Let's get the oven opened up, and oh, looky here, the babies are listening. You know, they love to listen when we're filming and cooking. There we go, look at that, y'all. It looks so good. Okay, here we go. I just pulled this out. It's been 15 minutes. I'm gonna take this out and I'm gonna flip the veggies. Okay, I'm trying to figure out the best way to do this. I think I'm just gonna get a spatula and just plop them all over. So I think I'll go across the whole thing and do that. Before I put this back in, I wanna show you something. So what I did is on this cookie sheet, I have down here a silicone liner. And you can need to either use probably something like that or parchment paper so that it doesn't stick to your cookie sheet. Okay, here we are, and we have got, let's see, about 15 more minutes. Hey, pups. They're waiting. Say, we're waiting. We're waiting. Okay, I've popped them back in the oven for about 2 or 3 minutes on broil. I'm gonna bring them out and then we're gonna taste them. Looky here, y'all. I have got some parsley now all across the top, and I took a little more Parmesan cheese and just sprinkled it all over. It looks beautiful, and guess what? Jay just got in, so he's gonna come help us taste this. So come in. Where are you? There you are.
Hey, baby doll.
I'm gonna give you a fork.
Okay.
Okay, so now we're gonna taste.
Get the taste.
We're gonna tell them what we think.
So let's see, what first? How about one of those?
That's a Brussels sprout.
I
You're
know.
gonna start with it? What'd you think?
Pretty good.
Okay, I'm trying a broccoli. That was good.
That's good.
Oh my. And oh, it's a bit spicy. Because I put some red pepper in there.
And what's that one?
That's a broccoli. Try it.
Right.
And the reason, y'all, that this is so good, I put it back in the oven on broil for
That's good.
about 2 or 3 minutes to make it crispy on top.
Yeah.
Yeah, so try a potato real quick.
What's that one, a potato?
That's a potato. Try a potato. And yes, Ace wants some. Oh, no,
That's not a
that
potato.
is not a potato. That is an acorn squash.
Oh, I'm gonna try that.
Okay. Try that. Ace, you can't have any, baby. Is that
That's
good?
pretty good too.
Okay, but you said a while ago, or I was thinking about that chicken. Well, find the chicken. Find a chicken
chicken
piece.
right there.
Do a chicken piece and tell me if it has seasoning or if it is a little blah. It's hard to season chicken, you know?
Okay, so the chicken got the afterbite
Okay.
in the seasoning versus the vegetables have the immediate flavor of the
Okay.
seasoning on them. But it's great. Tastes great.
And you like the Brussels sprout?
I do like the Brussels sprouts.
Okay,
They're
let me
good.
try that. Y'all, these
The
are-
only thing that I can say is it's just a little bit oily,
Yep.
you know? So if you were to like put this on something that the oil could drain down out of
Yeah.
or would absorb it, then it would be really
Yeah,
good.
I noticed that
Then you
too.
wouldn't have,
There was a little bit.
it was good.
But I think it looks good. So yeah, it's a keeper, isn't it?
I think so.
Okay, so y'all be sure and check out that next video that's popping up. We'll see you over there in a few minutes. Bye-bye.
Salute.